Very good morning from Ban Rak Thai. Excuse me, underwear, they're just drying nicely. It's a cockroach crowing. Without a shadow of a doubt, this is the best place we've stayed for views, for quality of the bed. The only shame is, don't breakfast, so we'll have to get one. There's the bikes down there. There's Kevo, I don't know what he's doing. Alright, Kevo. Anyway, like you see in the last video, he loves the camera. But what a place this is. That lake last night was absolutely superb. Right, plan of attack, jump straight on the Mae Hong Son Road, head south. If you do a few stops, taking some scenery, it is a straight road, this one, compared to them that we've just been on, Pai and the Ban Rak Thai overpass. Yeah, some straight roads, so I can't see very many twisties. Aye. Right, this is the plan of attack today. We are here, right up here on this reservoir. It's Ban Rak Thai. We are here and we're on our way down on the Mae Hong Son. We're going to pass the reservoir today, so we're going to have a pop in there. There's a coffee shop. Oh, hang on. And we keep on going down to Ban Rak. Keep on going, go to the, what's that? The Nap Tok Mae Sariang National Park. All the way down. 4 hours, 4.5 hours with a couple of little detours because we're getting used to them detours. There's a Japanese memorial. I want to go there. The Thai and Japanese memorial. That's for all the poor people who lost their lives in the war. And we're going to keep on going. It's a long one today. And I think we're going to end up in a place called, let's have a look, Mae Sariang. Mae Sariang is our destination today, and it's 4.5 hours. It's going to be a long one. But what a view, eh? Can't get enough of this view. Watch, he's hiding behind the fence. Thinks I'm fucking daft. Morning, Kevo, son! Kevo!
Fuck off, get that fuck off.
Ah, I love this, man, it's brilliant. So we managed to get everything nice and washed and cleaned last night. And we bought some soap powder, used the hot water in the shower. Yeah, it's smelling better. We need fuel within, say, the next 50 kilometres.
141.
140, yeah. Nice seats up, Kev. Copper cap.
Cap.
I was on one there, Kev.
Were you?
Yeah? It was only good until you get out of there. Oh, it's okay, Kev.
I know.
Okay. We were lucky there, thanks to this little pit stop here.
Yeah.
I was on one digit, on about 50 kilometres left. 20 kilometres later, we finally found one of these little pit stops. These are dotted all over this route. Heading toward Mae Hong Son now. There'll be plenty of these. So, fuel, I've got half. 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. That'll do me. This. Oh wow. Wow. That's incredible, look at that river down there. This is what the Mae Hong Son Loop is all about. Views like this. These viewpoints are definitely the highlight of this trip. Just some of the views, man, are just incredible. Poor old bloke doing his thing. And the bikes are looking well. The big Yamaha Tenere and the little PCX. This PCX is performing extremely well on these little bends. These little automatics. I'm up and down the gears like a yo-yo, but he's off like a shot on that little thing. There's me telling him not to get it. First pit stop of the day. Dad's garden. Well, that was Ganja then. That's an halfway point, that. On the Mae Hong Son Road. Leaving into Mae Sariang. Beautiful road, you must admit. Some of that footage was awesome. Box. Good lad, Kevo. Let's get in there now. Canny little place. Canny little place, Mummy got here. That is a proper cup of coffee.
Very good.
Very nice.
Latte, chai.
That's Machito, that's yours, Kev. That's mine, the latte. Cup and cup.
You're a unit. Get up.
No, I'm not, man.
You fucking are.
Tell you what, Kev, it looks alright, that son.
Well.
Could have done with a few more chips, couldn't you?
Well.
Enjoy that, kid. Enjoy it.
I'm on a diet, am I?
You don't need to be.
I'm on a diet, am I?
You don't need to be. Just live life to the max, kid. That was the best coffee for the bit of food we've had since we've been here. This road, the 108, leading to Mae Hong Son, is superb. Surface, scenery, beautiful. Straight down. You will there, it's right in front of you. Right in front of you. So what's just happened there, we pulled up, put the helmet on there, the wind blew it, and it's went all the way down there. There it is, right in front of you, Kev. Straight up here. They're laughing their heads up there. Cheers, Kev. You're a good lad.
You're no fucking film here, you fucking arsehole.
No, honestly, I'm not. What a view, though. What a view. Tell you what, that's your exercise done for the day, Kev. Yeah. I did, I got him. I got him. Let's have a look at your bike. Let me have a look at your bike, friend. Let me have. What bike is it? Oh, yeah, nice, nice. Nice.
500. 500.
500cc. Look bigger. Looks bigger. Wow, very nice.
Honda.
Honda, that's what it is, Honda.
Honda.
Good, good Honda, good Honda. You do the loop.
Safety oil. Safety oil.
Yeah, I.
Thank you.
You're welcome, you're welcome.
Always park the bike the way you're going. Go on there, park it that way. It's a little tip.
Did you get me helmet?
It's a Honda Rebel.
Honda Rebel.
Honda Rebel.
500.
500cc.
Yeah, it looks bigger, doesn't it? Looks bigger. Anyway,
CC.
have a good day.
100. Halloy CC. Try. Halloy CC.
Alloy CC 5. Alloy CC, that's 500. I'm getting there. I think we deserve a drink. Pass me that, I'll open that. You open that camera. That's it. There you go. No danger. Got my cap, no problem. What a view. What a view. Look at that. Sit down here and have a fantastic view. No cap. Beautiful little place, isn't it?
Yeah, lovely.
Eh? Beautiful little place. Just a shame poor Kev won't have got my helmet. Oh, it's just nice to get out the sun for a bit.
Take my way home.
And have a nice cold one.
Nuke says, who told you? Who told you Kate's away home?
And that is beautiful. Enjoying yours, Kev?
Yes. 26.
Well deserved. Let's go and have a look at this little motorbike here. Whose is it, Kev? Is it his?
This is it. Your bike?
Your bike?
Yeah.
Beauty, that, isn't it? What's that, Kev? 50cc?
Small engine, isn't it?
Small engine, very. Oh, it's even got a K&N on it. Got a K&N filter on it, Kev. Shit. Class, man. Come on then, brother. We've ended up in this place here, which is great, but in the background all you can hear is live firing. Listen. Boom, 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 boom. Class. There you go.
Is that real shooters?
Yeah, they'll be doing live ammo testing, Kev. That's serious, that's some serious gunfire, that. Da-da-da-da. Can hear these little resorts. Nice big bed. Boo! That's mine. That's mine. That's brilliant. Mine's done. I'm in there. Here's the room. Put that there. Nice big fridge. Soft bed. Nice big bathroom, jeez. Good shower. Hey, I'm impressed. Let's have a look at a little balcony. Oh, brilliant. That'll do us. Hello, Kevin. Where are you? Oh. So this was 550 baht. That's about 13.50, something like that. Same clothes back on. This is me 2 sets of clothes I've got, but they're all washed and clean. Got my others out there drying. People just keep asking us about the hotels on social media. How do we plan our trips? These hotels aren't planned. We just turn up blind and the next minute, hopefully they've got a room available and they do. So that's how we flow here. You don't get authentic, amazing Thai food like this. Top and cup, Lily. Thank you.
I love tom yum. I didn't know.
Beautiful tom yum soup.
It's not on your menu, eh?
Fried.
Yeah, on menu.
Fried shrimp.
Tom yum.
Just fat and full. Just had a beautiful, proper Thai, authentic Thai meal. Bike's looking good. Chain's oiled. Tyre pressure's all done. Kev's little bike's just tried his tensioner on his belt. And we're ready to rock and roll for tomorrow. So people, see you tomorrow for doing thing and maybe a little twist in the tail. 4.5 hours. Good night.